Welcome. If you want to set up Face Unlock on your OnePlus Nord N10 5G, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next we have to go for the security and the lock screen. Then tap on the Face Unlock. And we have to also select the second unlock method. So I'm going for the Face Unlock and the pattern. So then input the second lock method, confirm. And we don't want to show notifications at all on the lock screen. Then we have to move to add face data, read the description, then click next, accept the permission. And right now we have to keep our face in the circle, so we have to get it a little bit closer to the selfie camera. Okay, and it was complete, so click next. And after that we can lock device by power key and unlock by clicking the same button. And as you can see, our device is unlocked, so right now we can easily use that, and the face recognition works really good here. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.